Alright, the next steps to this table is going to be installing your control box mounts and Y cable tray mounts. These two parts will be your Y cable tray mounts. One will go behind this leg and one will go on this leg. So with your control box mounts, we're going to go ahead and put a bolt through it. And this is going to go right in place in these two holes located about midway up on your leg. And as you're holding that, go ahead and grab your cable tray mount and put that on. Holding those in place, go ahead and get some nuts on the back side so it doesn't come apart. And go ahead and just leave those hand tight for the moment. So what we're going to do on the bottom of this leg, we're actually going to remove the first two bolts that we installed earlier on the leg so we can slide the cable or the control box mount in place. Go ahead and install your control box mount in place. So yeah, just go ahead and leave those hand tight for the moment. Let's go ahead and move along to the back. So the next step we're going to do is grab our control box and our Y cable tray. You have your control box and your cable tray over here and your hardware. Let's go ahead and install the cable or the control box. So now that you have your control box installed, go ahead and get your cable tray in place, and you're just going to 3-bolt that in place, and you'll see the provided holes. What we're going to do this is go ahead and assemble your T-nuts onto your brackets. And we'll go ahead and you got your 1 main bracket and your 2 support brackets. So once you have your T-nuts installed, go ahead and install your cable tray. And we're going to install that on the bottom groove. And the way you're going to align this bracket is grab your level, go ahead and bump it to your cable track tray, and get a level line. You just pull your bracket. And what that does is align the end of the cable tray mount to the bottom cable tray. These next plates, one goes about midway. Go ahead and just get them started. So now that you have the cable tray in place, go ahead and locate the holes on this main cable tray bracket and go ahead and drop your 3 bolts through. So once you got your first bolts installed, this is your location for your next brackets. So you could go through and slide them down until the holes line up.